All right, so these studs were touching this center block. So you can see it's actually went out a whole lot. So Kayla, go ahead and do a little more on top of that sec over there on that one. You can literally see the wall moving. Go ahead. So we were able to straighten this wall out very well on this house, and we're actually done. It doesn't take very long once you finally get the steel put on there. But like I said, this was touching the wall and pushing this wall out. So now they can come back and fix the wall and re-level it and put sheetrock on it. If this is helpful to you, InstaDri.com.
Hey guys, Kevin Jarday with InstaDri. Hey, I want to let you guys know that I'm here to help you guys in any way you need. You have a foundation issue, you found cracks. If you think you have foundation issues because you have cracks inside your house and inside your door jambs, and your ceilings are sagging, your floors are sagging, you have some soft spots foundation-wise, we're here to help you. Also, if your house is making you sick, if you go to your Aunt Bunny's house and you're perfectly healthy at her house, but you come back home and you're sick, there's an issue. If you have water issues in your crawl space or in your basement, you go downstairs and all of a sudden you're walking in water. We take care of that as well. There's lots of solutions for that. Not all of them are the same. We have a lot of different solutions that most companies do not have. Most of them have one solution. We have multiple solutions. So we'd be happy to come in and evaluate it. You'll feel more educated. So if you have any questions, give us a call, like us below, click on the link below and like us, and I appreciate it. Kevin Jarday with InstaDri.